What does a general contractor do, and what do they not do? When starting a construction project, whether a simple home renovation or a complex commercial build, the role of a general contractor is pivotal. This professional acts as the project manager, coordinating all aspects of the construction process. Understanding what a general contractor does and what they do not do can help you navigate your project more effectively. General contractors manage construction projects, hire subcontractors, procure materials, and ensure compliance with regulations. They don't design, offer legal advice, finance projects, sell real estate, or manufacture materials. These tasks require specialized professionals outside the contractor's scope of responsibilities. This guide will provide a clear understanding of their responsibilities, limitations, and frequently asked questions to ensure your project's success. What's a general contractor? A general contractor is a professional responsible for overseeing the day-to-day operations of a construction project, whether it's for a residential, commercial, or industrial property. Their main role is to ensure the project is completed on time, within budget, and according to the client's specifications and quality standards. General contractors act as the point of communication between the project owner and the various construction workers and subcontractors hired to perform specific tasks, such as plumbing, electrical work, roofing, and carpentry. They are responsible for hiring and managing these subcontractors, procuring all necessary materials, obtaining permits, and ensuring that all work is done safely and in compliance with local building codes and regulations. In addition to managing the construction workforce and logistics, general contractors also play a crucial role in problem-solving and decision-making throughout the construction process. They must be adept at coordinating various tasks to avoid delays and handle any issues that arise, ensuring the project stays on track. While general contractors typically do not perform the construction work themselves, they must have a broad knowledge of construction methods, materials, and building codes to effectively oversee the project. Their expertise allows them to assess and hire competent subcontractors, manage construction schedules, and ensure the quality of the workmanship throughout the project lifecycle. What can a general contractor do? A general contractor can perform a wide range of tasks and responsibilities to ensure the successful completion of a construction project. Here are some of the key functions and capabilities of a general contractor. Project management. General contractors oversee the entire construction process, from initial planning and design to the final touches. This involves coordinating all activities on the construction site, managing timelines, and ensuring that the project stays on schedule. Hiring and supervising subcontractors. They hire and manage subcontractors who specialize in specific areas of the construction process, such as electrical, plumbing, roofing, and painting. The general contractor ensures that these workers complete their tasks efficiently and to the required quality standards. Procurement of materials. General contractors are responsible for acquiring all the materials needed for the project. They must ensure that materials are delivered on time and are of the quality specified in the project plans. Budget management. They play a crucial role in managing the project budget, including providing cost estimates, keeping track of expenses, and making adjustments as necessary to prevent cost overruns. Quality control. General contractors are tasked with ensuring that all aspects of the project meet specific quality standards and comply with building codes and regulations. They regularly inspect the work performed by subcontractors to ensure compliance. Safety management. Ensuring the safety of all workers and compliance with occupational health and safety standards is a critical responsibility. General contractors implement safety protocols, provide safety equipment, and conduct regular safety training sessions. Permit and license acquisition. They are responsible for obtaining all necessary permits and licenses required for the construction project. This includes ensuring that the project adheres to all local, state, and federal regulations. Communication. General contractors serve as the primary point of communication between the project owner, the design team, and the construction workers. They provide regular updates on project progress, discuss any challenges, and make decisions as needed. Problem solving. Throughout the construction process, unexpected issues and challenges can arise. General contractors are skilled in problem solving and making quick decisions to address these issues, minimizing delays and impact on the project. Final inspections and handover. Upon completion of the construction project, general contractors conduct final inspections to ensure everything is in order. They address any final touches and hand over the completed project to the client, ensuring satisfaction with the work done. What general contractors do not do. While general contractors play a crucial role in the construction process, overseeing various aspects of a project from start to finish, some certain tasks and responsibilities fall outside their scope of work. Understanding what general contractors do not do is essential for setting realistic expectations and ensuring that all necessary roles and duties are covered by the appropriate professionals. Here are some key activities and responsibilities that are generally not performed by general contractors. Design and architecture. General contractors do not typically provide architectural or design services. While they may offer input based on construction feasibility and cost-effectiveness, the creation of detailed plans and the aesthetic design of a project are usually the responsibility of architects and interior designers. Engineering services. Specialized engineering tasks, such as structural, electrical, or mechanical engineering, require professional engineers. General contractors coordinate with these professionals but do not perform their specific technical duties. Real estate services. General contractors are experts in construction, not in buying or selling property. Any tasks related to real estate transactions, including property valuation and market analysis, should be handled by licensed real estate agents. Financing. General contractors manage the project budget and may provide estimates and invoices, but they do not finance the construction project. Securing loans or other forms of financing is the client's responsibility. Land surveying. While general contractors might coordinate with land surveyors as part of a project, they do not conduct land surveys themselves. This specialized work requires licensed surveyors who can establish official land, water, and air boundaries. Manufacturing of materials. General contractors procure materials needed for a project, but they do not manufacture these materials. They rely on suppliers and manufacturers for construction materials, fixtures, and equipment. Governmental inspections. Although they ensure projects comply with building codes and regulations, general contractors do not conduct official governmental inspections. These inspections are performed by authorized city or county inspectors to ensure compliance with building codes and safety standards. DIY consultations. General contractors manage construction projects, but do not typically provide consulting services for do-it-yourself projects. Their expertise and resources are directed toward managing and executing full-scale construction projects. Post-construction maintenance. After completing a construction project, general contractors usually do not provide ongoing maintenance services. Maintenance, repairs, and renovations may require different specialists or property management professionals. Understanding the role of a general contractor. A general contractor plays a crucial role in the success of any construction project, managing day-to-day operations, ensuring quality and compliance, and overseeing the work of subcontractors. While there are tasks outside their scope, such as design work and legal matters, their expertise in project management is invaluable. By understanding the comprehensive role and limitations of a general contractor, you can set realistic expectations and foster a productive working relationship for your project.